message for St. Louis MN, beginning at 3:14 p.m. and ending at 4:14 p.m. There is a 911 outage in the Friedenberg Township, the Island Lake area. If you need emergency services, contact St. Louis 911 at 218-625-3581. If you are unable to dial out the Friedenberg Fire Hall at 6367 Layback Road will be staffed with personnel.
Really, a CEM for a TOE? The issue a civil emergency message for a freaking 911 telephone outage emergency. Weird.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarms for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular program.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WW.
Public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from western Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. Same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and again in the evening between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. and less severe weather threat. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Thank you.
Your coastal
At the car wash, no less.